Hi, I'm Arav Acharya.
Hi, I'm Arav's dad, Amitoj Acharya.
We have started a YouTube channel in which we'll publish informative videos, interesting videos, fun videos, interactive videos, and etc.
I will post my professional videos on information technology and management.
And I promise the video that we post will be fine, that your whole family can watch.
Yes, we would have family and full family objective videos, and we would keep improving continuously.
So let's start today's video. This is our second video, right? Yes. And today's video's topic will be impact of COVID-19 on our life.
We have been impacted by COVID-19, all people around the world, I'm sure. It started from China in early January, maybe late last year, but by late February and early March, it was declared pandemic and everybody was all ears for COVID-19 situation.
And now we will tell you what we do to protect ourselves from this pandemic.
Very right.
Yes.
We keep ourselves informed by discussing it with our family doctors who are very friendly,
Yes.
with our doctors who are our relatives, and we keep our ears all open on news.
Yeah.
We keep
And
following
news is-
YouTube videos, and we follow guidelines from government, which government gives through press briefings and
Yeah.
Twitters.
News is something that informs us very well, and you could be aware of it. So, my first tip, watch half an hour of news every day, please.
Yes, we need to keep ourselves informed by news feedback. So news is our first way of getting the information.
Yes. COVID-19 is an infection that damages our respiratory system and affects our lungs.
Yes, this is one of the areas where COVID attacks, and some of the worst cases happen to be people get impacted on lungs and respiratory diseases. Though it impacts all of the body, it's a viral infection, as we know. So gradually what we get to know after all the information channels and all is that basics are of keeping physical distance.
When we get infected, we are unable to breathe. But you should not be afraid of this, because by doing some precautions, easy precautions, you can be saved from it.
Right. And what can be these precautions? Arav, you know that?
Yeah, of course. First, do not go in crowded areas.
Yes, crowded areas is where you can get easily
Infected.
and it can multiply in population.
Yes. Now, second tip, go outside when necessary or is urgent.
You should wear mask, you should have face shields. Also, you should keep washing your hands for at least 20 seconds
Yeah.
with soap.
And if you have come from out, so it's summers also, you should take a bath with cool water. It will disinfect with soap. It will disinfect your whole body and you will feel fresh.
Yes, soapy solution and soap cleansing with a mild soap helps to rinse out the infection on the surface of the body. So you should minimize your exposure to the infected areas and stay away from them.
Now you will think that how does corona comes to our body? Now let me tell you. Corona comes from the droplets of the other persons. Like when someone cough, when someone sneezes, the droplets came from his mouth. If goes into your body, then if the person is infected, you could be infected too. But still, you should not the droplet come into your body. Stay the person to put a hand in front of his mouth or nose while sneezing. It's better.
Yeah, the best way to sneeze is to sneeze in the arm away from the person, not towards
Yeah.
the person, but away from the person. That blocks all the droplet infection and minimizes exposure.
Now your second question will be, but what if the person don't follows it? Then you should keep a distance of 2 meters from it.
Yes, physical distance is important. So let's move on with other aspects of the same, the changes which we have brought into our life. Let me tell you those. So we have been washing our hands repeatedly with soap. We have used alcohol based sanitizers to sprinkle on,
72% alcohol based.
70 to 80
To be
percent.
accurate.
Yes, around 70 to 80%. So we sprinkle it on the goods which we bring in from outside and let it stay in the area for some time if we do not need them immediately. So also keeping all the surfaces clean by cleansing them with the appropriate alcohol based solutions.
It is said to be that isopropyl alcohol kills virus in 1 or 2 minutes. But
I think it's in 10 seconds, 10 to 20 seconds. Yeah.
but don't spray in your hands, because I brought a sanitizer with 90%. I rubbed on my hands and my knuckles got dried up and the skin got removed. So
Yeah, we had
please-
some skin rashes and skin
Yeah.
dryness. So alcohol based sanitizers and applications are rough on skin, and it may cause skin dryness. So basically you should add more glycerine to it, but still we avoid them. We prefer soap rinsing and
Yeah.
soap hand wash. That is more preferable for us.
sanitizer is something when you're out and you do not have a soap, then you can use sanitizer.
Yeah, and you do not have water to wash or rinse through soap. So sanitizers are a quick fix.
Yeah.
Also now we move on to the diet side of the same thing. We have to keep a healthy diet and healthy behavior and habits and lifestyle on the same. So on
This
the diet,
is the second part, and medicinal was the first part. You have to follow both parts to stay healthy and fit.
right. So we prefer healthy diet like lemonades, which are considered to be high on vitamin C, tropical fruit juices, green juices, and hot beverages and soups. So that is our preference, and homemade food is our
If you
preference.
want to eat fast food, eat it, but not many times. Like, eat it once in 3 months, or like
Yeah, fast food is not on our preference.
eat less.
You should eat from where you know that the
Yeah, that's very important.
source of food is clean and source of food is reliable. Take food from the reliable source. That is the outside cooked resources are not reliable in current times because everybody is stressed out. So prefer home cooked food with appropriate cleanliness and practices. Also we take some medicinal supplements which are like vitamin C,
Neem-seed tablet, the name is. Now I
Vitamin
will
D.
tell you a fact.
and multivitamins also.
Yeah, now
Vitamin
I
D and
will
multivitamins.
tell you a fact. The fact is, before going into our body, coronavirus stays 4 days in our throat. So, to finish it in the throat only, now to get it when in the throat or not, you will start coughing a little bit when it's in the throat and starting sneezing. Now, if you gargles, you can be able to finish it in the throat only. Now I will tell you.
Clear the throat. Basically,
Yeah.
we use warm water with pinch of salt. So salty warm water to gargle a couple of times
Yeah.
around the day to clear your throat.
Now I will tell you
So
the
that is
procedure.
important.
Now I will tell you the procedure to do gargles. First, take a clean glass, put some hot water in it. Fill the glass with hot water. Now, put a pinch of salt in it. Now, take the glass near the sink, drink it, and do gargles.
Okay, now see, there are other aspects which are also changed in COVID-19. One is
Yeah.
our work and education culture. We are working from home, and kids are studying online classes
Yeah.
being delivered at their school.
Yes,
So we
and-
have our devices which we use in this process. So what devices do we use?
So from this line, you could get what will be our next video could. What could be?
We can cover it in this video as well, that we use laptops.
Yes,
So
but
one of the laptop is Lenovo, one is HP, another is Acer, and
This
one we
was
have
a-
iPad, and also
this was a
smart
starting-
Android phones.
this was a start giving to you. But in the next video, we'll give you information about the correct devices.
We can, we would detail it in further, but let's be very precise and brief. There's nothing much there. We have 4 GB RAM laptops, and we have solid state device drives and HDD. So solid state device drives are better on performance, and on Android devices or mobile phones, we have smartphones. Again, our 4 GB, pretty much latest ones. So this is it does the job for us, and we are happy the way the things are happening.
So I think you have got a lot of knowledge about devices we use. This is just starting to you, so that you can know what our devices is. So this is all that. This is this would be funny for me. This is all our videos for. So hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon to get the notifications. Thank you and Namaste Bharat.
Yeah, greetings to all of you around the globe as well. Thank you so much. Bye.